Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is informal communication. As in the previous videos, we already discussed, started the playlist for the subject communication and started discuss various topics related to it like concept of communication, classification of communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, process of communication, and so on. So in today's video, we will discuss about the informal communication. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is informal communication. Informal communication is the communication that takes place outside formal structures of the workplace. It does not have any formalities. It is based on informal relations among the employees. Formal communication networks will always be supported by informal channels. Informal communication is flexible and it changes with the changing situations. So, informal communication also exists in the organization with the formal communication. Informal communication can occur in the same settings as the formal communication, such as manager may tell the employee something about his personal life that is not meant to be recorded formally. Gossip is a form of informal communication also. Some people refer to informal communication as the grapevine communication. So when we talk in the organization in an informal way, like gossiping or some personal things, news is known as informal communication. So there are several advantages and disadvantages of informal communication. Now we discuss the advantages first. It brings a sense of unity among employees of an organization uh, when they meet to share and discuss certain issues. It provides feedback to the management also. The speed of this is remarkable for transmitting information as it goes from one person to another instantly. So informal communication provide feedback to the management also, and it is a speedy communication than other communication mode. Now I discuss the disadvantages of informal communication. It cannot always be taken seriously because it spreads or transmits information by word of mouth or orally. It does not carry the complete information as it is based on guess or one's personal option. It may distort the information as it is completely unofficial and its origin lies in heresy. So informal communication cannot be taken seriously because it is spreads and transmits all over the organization by word of mouth or orally. In such a communication, there are chances of misinterpretation as every member can change information according to their own will and understanding. It does not assign the responsibility on anyone in case of any misunderstanding. There are the chances of leakage of information, and it can damage the reputation or upset the plans of the organization. So there are several chances of leakage of information it, because it can damage the reputation of particular employee. So this is all about the informal communication. If you have any query, I again summarize all the points of informal communication. Informal communication is basically exists in the organization with the formal communication. It is generally a grapevine communication. It is supported by networks of the employees. It does not have any formalities. It is based on the informal relations. There are several advantages of informal communication, like it provides feedback to the management. It is a speedy communication, but sometimes it damages the reputation of particular employee. It cannot be taken seriously because it can transmit information by word of mouth or orally. So this is all about the informal communication. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.